The simple past tense is used to describe actions that happened and finished in the past. It helps us talk about what someone did, when it happened, and who was involved. This tense is important when we talk about stories, daily routines in the past, or events that no longer continue today. The simple past tense expresses an action that started and ended at a specific point in the past. It does not connect to the present moment. For example, you can say, "I watched a movie yesterday," or "She visited her grandmother last week." Both actions happened before now and are completely finished. The simple past tense is used when describing actions that are finished, when mentioning a specific time in the past, or when telling a story or sequence of events. It is also used for facts that were true only in the past. For example, you can say, "Dinosaurs lived millions of years ago," to describe a past fact. The structure of a sentence in the simple past tense is subject, followed by the past form of the verb, and then the object. For example, "I played football," or "She cooked dinner." Most regular verbs form their past tense by adding ed at the end of the base verb, like played, cooked, or watched. In English, verbs in the simple past tense can be regular or irregular. Regular verbs form their past tense by adding ed, such as walk becomes walked and clean becomes cleaned. Irregular verbs do not follow this pattern. They have different past forms that must be learned individually. For example, go becomes went, eat becomes ate, and see becomes saw. An affirmative sentence in the simple past tense tells us that an action really happened. The structure is subject, plus the past form of the verb, and then the object. For example, "I visited my uncle, they played football, and she watched a movie." These actions all happened in the past and are now completed. To make a sentence negative in the simple past tense, we use did not or the short form didn't, followed by the base form of the verb. For example, "I did not play tennis," or "She didn't cook dinner." When we use did not, we always return the main verb to its base form and do not add ed again. To ask questions in the simple past tense, we start the sentence with did, followed by the subject and the base form of the verb. For example, "Did you watch television? Did he play football? Or did they go to school?" Remember, once we use did, the main verb stays in its base form. This pattern helps us form clear and correct questions about the past.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.